Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you the best method to add a clickable link to your Canva video. If you've ever been confused about linking inside Canva, this step-by-step guide will make it simple. Let's get started. First, open your Canva video project. Click on the text element where you want the clickable link. This is the hotspot that viewers will interact with. Next, look for the three dots menu at the top of Canva's interface, near the text options. Click it to expand more tools. From the expanded menu, select Link. A small box will pop up where you can paste or type in the URL you want to attach. Now paste your link into the box. This could be your website, a landing page, or even a social media profile. Always double check the URL for typos to make sure it directs correctly. Once you're happy with the URL, click Done. Canva will now embed the link into your selected text element. Before sharing your video, preview the design and test the link by exporting a draft and opening it. This ensures everything works exactly as intended. Adding clickable links in your Canva video is a great way to increase engagement. It directs your audience straight to your call to action, whether that's subscribing, booking, or shopping, and that's it. You now know how to add a clickable link to your Canva video using the best method available.